So what's up mga kalagang reservists, no, ang ato ang himuan karon og review and voiceover is ang hitabo nga Regional Annual and Administrative Inspection sa Jeremy Shoe Dipolog ROTC unit. And on the screen makita nato ang Platoon Integrated Tactics, o ito yung mga kadalasang ginagawa ng ating mga kasundaluhan once na magkandak sila ng operation. So makita din natin dito yung mga formation, yung mga tactics nila, at kung gaano ba kaganda na mapasali sa Philippine Army. So makikita rin din natin dito yung mga snappy cadets natin from Jeremy Shoe Dipolog, and sabay natin tunghayan at ma-amaze sa kanilang pinakita na mga formation. So let's watch guys.
Temporary phase, you can't face this kind of grace and leave the way you came. This is permanent with intent, and there won't be no stopping it now. So in this portion of this video guys, makikita natin dito yung mga terrorist na makakalaban mismo ng ating mga kasundaluhan. I'm stepping out without a hesitation, 'cause my soul is like a stadium and I'm sold out. I'm no longer living just for myself, running after Jesus with my whole heart, and now I'm ready to shout, I am sold out. I'm sold out with every single step that I take now, with every drop of blood left in my veins. I'm gonna be making it count. I am sold out. No trials coming against me can put a dent in my passion. They're just an opportunity to put into action. In a world full of followers, I'll be a leader. In a world full of doubters, I'll be a believer. I'm stepping out without a hesitation. I ain't got nothing left to be afraid of. I'm sold out. In my veins, I'm gonna be making it count. Now, with every drop of blood in my veins, I'm gonna be making it count. I am sold out. Now, with every drop of blood in my veins, I'm gonna be making it count.
On this portion of this video guys, ito na yung patapos o pag-recover na and accounting of personnel kapag yung mga sanala is galing sa operation. So it's a success. So thank you for watching guys.